Pogi niya po talaga, TDH po si Bossing.
Wow, TDH.
Baka lumobo na yung ulo ko dito, ha?
Anong meaning mo ng TDH? May meaning ka, di ba?
Tandang hindi halata. Tandang di halata.
Yung pala yung TDH.
Yung TDH niya.
Hindi, pero tall, dark, and handsome po talaga si Arjel. Pag nakita niyo po in person. Kaya manood na po kayo ng Star Magic All-Star Team sa July 20. Ganon. Yes, okay. Punta na tayo sa ating next question. Okay. This is for... Ay, sige. Tuloy-tuloy na natin ang questions ni Mikey Viñas naman of Kapamilya Vines. Okay. For Rain, do you have plans to join pageants again?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes, of course. I'm really young, fairly young, 21. So, for pageant age, it's still really young po. So, of course I would. Pero, I remember I joined pageants during the pandemic. So, parang, now that I'm back in the showbiz industry, I'd like to focus muna on what I have now po. Lalo na when we have love at first sight laughs. So, syempre, I want to focus muna and of course, create good relationships within this industry before coming back again. This is a really big process, alam po natin yan. I really want to represent the Philippines, pero pag buo na, pag kaya, kapag laban na laban po. And I know I can't do that yet, so maybe next year. Maybe
She
next
will,
year.
she will.
Tsaka last time, di ba, second runner-up, tama ba?
Yes.
Oo, so, andun yung konti na lang. Tsaka di ba marami meeting wings na gano'n? Yung hindi naman talaga first try, pack agad.
Opo, opo. Kasi I remember I was 19 that time, so it was big for me at 19 years old. Pero for those watching, hindi siya imposible gawin.
Yes.
Even though may mga kasabay ka mga lawyers and doctors and those who are already experienced in life and much more wiser, hindi po talaga, it's not all about that, of course. So, ayun, try po. Not only me, I hope there's lots of girls out there na mas may courage na po sumali kasi it's not all about that. It's really much more within your purpose. Ayun po.
Thank you so much, Rain. Okay, ngayon naman for Arjel. Pinag-uusapan ngayon ang Some Nights I Feel Like Walking na ipapalabas this June 25 to 27 at dahil Pride Month, anong pakiramdam na nilook forward ng mga tao itong project na ito?
Ano kasi yan indie film ni Derek Peterson. Shoot namin yan 2023 pa ata, so matagal na. So, na-excite din ako kasi hindi ko pa napapanood. At ano kasi to, kwento ng mga kumbaga kabataan na mga lumaking kalye, mga hustlers talaga. So excited kami mapakita yon sa ibang tao para maintindihan natin sila. Kasi hindi natin nakikita yun yung mga side na minsan hindi napapansin, gano'n. So excited kami ibigay sa kanila.
Wow, tsaka 2023 pa pala, no? Direct Peterson Vargas, no?
Yes.
Sino-sino pa mga kasama mo dito?
Kasama ko dito si Jo Maria Angeles, si Gold Aceron, tsaka si Tommy Alejandrino. Yan mga ano talaga bigirado, mga malulupit. Kaya nung sinod namin to, sobrang nakaka-pressure. Kasi first time ko to Tapos sila parang lagi na nilang ginagawa, tapos nanalo pa ng mga awards. So ayun, tutulungan naman nila ako. So okay naman.
Magandang experience yun yung mapabilang ka doon. Kayo ba guys, meron ba kayong mga dream na gusto nyo makasama sa isang project? Bukod sa syempre ngayon, nagkasama-sama na kayo sa mga ilang projects, pero sino yung mga, let's aim high, you know? Kunwari talaga sky's the limit. Sino ang gusto nyo yung local artists na makasama?
Ako po si Miss Jody Santa Maria. She's the sole reason why I wanted to be an artista po when I was watching her when I was a kid. Tsaka po, I love her acting range. Super hands down respect po talaga. Kasi she's done roles of horror lately. She's done a horror film and I remember she said that she had hard time moving on. Kasi you would know if you're an actor na it'll be hard for you to move on from the character. Kasi doon mo nalaman na you really were that person. And I love that about her. Kasi when we're an actor and actress, talagang kailangan maramdaman mo para totoo. And I love that about her. I hope I can meet her one day. I did meet her na pala, but I hope I can work with her. Because I remember the first time I met her, I was like, thank you po. Like, you're the reason why I want to be an artista. Ganun po. And yeah, I hope I can. One day.
Alright. Jody for Rain. Dylan.
Ako naman po si Kuya DJ. Daniel Padilla. Siya po talaga din yung idol ko. Kung si Rain, si Miss Jody yung reason niya. Ako si DJ talaga. Si Kuya DJ. Gumagawa pa akong edit sa TikTok dati yung... Alam yung nakalagay doon na show you and your dream job. Mga gano'n. Tapos nilalabas ko yung mga posters ng movies niya, teleserye niya. Katniel, ng Katniel. So,
Hanapin niya ng mga fans mo mamaya. Yung ginawa ko.
Makikita nila mga 2021 na tayo. Oo, 2021.
Anong role ni DJ yung pinakatumatak sa'yo? Ano yung gusto mo sa kanya?
Yung movie nila, yung The House of Us. Yung...
Bigat!
Yung scene nila doon na ano, yung... Pagod ka na ba? Di ba yung parang play ako ngayon?
Sige nga, lights ka na.
Ako!
Isa pa.
Eh? Nahiya na ako.
So, ganun mga roles ang gusto mo?
Oo, mga ganun.
Oo, hindi yung, kasi may DJ na nagpapakilig, di ba? Pero yung House of Us, ibang DJ din.
Malalim.
Oo, malalim. Ganun yung mga gusto
Ganun
mo.
po yung gusto ko.
Oo. Okay, so may Jody tayo, may Daniel Padilla tayo. Argel.
Ako si Kuya Gerald. Hindi, kasi lagi ko siya nakaka-basketball, so curious ako kung paano naman sa work. Ayun. Sana.
May message ka ba kay Gerald Andrews? Ngayon sinabi mo yan, na idol mo pala siya?
Idol ko yan eh. So, baka tulog siya ngayon, pahinga kami.
Ang ganda naman. Okay, ikaw, Jazz.
For me, may dalawa ako, Miss Angel Aquino and Miss Isa Calzado. Grabe talaga yung range of acting, the emotions, na mata-matahan lang. Parang while you're watching, you feel every emotion that pinapakita nila. So, someday, I already met Miss Isa Calzado twice or thrice. So that would be a privilege to work with her. But Miss Angel Aquino, not yet. So, kita muna and then soon. Yeah.
Well, maliit naman ang industriya, no? Mataas yung chance na mamimit nyo yung inyong idols. Ito sabi ni Yera Bastina, grabe, 19 lang pala si Ray nung nag-join siya sa pageant.
Yes, ate. Puro lakas ng loob lang ang meron ko talaga. Pero at least, I learned so much. I'd say I really did mature in that sense po talaga. Iba yung discipline ko sa body ko and sa mind ko when I was at that age. Kasi imagine when you're doing a national pageant but you're still finishing high school. So that was
High
really,
school?
yeah.
Oh my gosh, high
Grade
school
12,
ka.
yeah.
Sa loob.
Yes. I wouldn't recommend, of course, pero iba rin kapag may gusto kang gawin sa buhay. So I hope that you guys can take that as an inspiration na you can still do it while studying. Because I'm still studying pa rin ngayon.
Oo nga, ano yung inaaral mo?
I'm studying broadcasting, communication and broadcasting.
Where?
In LPU, Cavite. But yeah.
Layo.
Okay, malayo.
Lyceum of the Philippines University.
Yes.
Okay. So, pero ano, yung course mo, talagang andito na. Ito na yun.
Yes.
You're doing it na talaga.
Oo, gusto ko po talaga siya gawin.
My course is also broadcast communication.
Yes.
Kaya pwede siya mag-host.
And so I appreciate your voiceover kasi it's nice ate. I couldn't even recognize your
Kaya naman
speaking
mo,
voice.
kasi broad ka eh.
Yes.
There you go. Dylan, sa UE, ano yung course mo?
Marketing po.
Marketing. So, ano ba plano mo dapat after?
Mag-artista.
Marketing ka
I-market niyo yung self
Oh, yung market ko yung sarili ko. Alam mo, ate, ay yung parang naiisip ko dati na hindi ko alam paano, pero alam ko darating ako doon. Yung mga ganun. Oo.
Na-envision mo na siya, parang gano'n, at the back of your head.
Yes, hindi ko lang siya alam kung kailan siya darating, hindi ko alam kung paano siya mangyayari. Pero alam ko at makakarating ako.
Ganda, ang inspiring nyo kausap. No? Bakit lang, ang babata pero yung goals, ando na talaga. Tsaka ready kayo explore yung iba-iba ninyong mga talents. So that's good. And it's so nice that you're here in Star Magic to share your talents with everyone. Okay, so meron pa po ba tayong questions na gustong itanong from our media friends? Okay, I think we're good. So bago tayo umalis, final messages nyo guys para sa inyong mga fans. Invite them to your projects to watch your projects and also of course, Star Magic All-Star Games. Let's start with Rain.
Okay, hello kapamilya. Maraming salamat po for watching this gathering today. We'd love for you to support. Buy the tickets. They're available na po for July 20 next month. And of course, naka-release na po ang aming show, The But First Spike, every Friday, 8 p.m. Maraming salamat po. We hope that you could support not only All-Star Games, Labs, but of course, Star Magic in total for everybody who is here. Ayun, maraming salamat po and I'll see you on the next.
Jazz?
Before siguro ako mag-message at I think this day won't be complete without everyone saying happy birthday to our Ate Ai.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Ate
birthday!
Ai.
Dahil kasi last ako. Pero kaya nagulat ako ng shock. So let's all sing Ate Ai a very happy birthday.
Hunter ko si Ate Edith. Tinataka ko kasi same din tayo hunter.
Same tayo hunter.
Oo,